Hi besties, happy weekend. I almost enjoy this without filming this, guys. This is very delicious. This is, one of my easiest sandwich recipe. Okay, so the ingredients I have here is cabbage, tomatoes, onions, and sardine. Okay, I'm gonna add boiled egg to it as well. So trust me, this is very delicious. Okay, so as you are seeing, I chopped everything together and I added my sardine. I just mixed everything till well incorporated. Okay, I mixed everything as you're seeing, and then I got my hot bread. Oh my god, Charlie, this sandwich recipe, it is so delicious. I always say cooking is an act. Okay, there's a lot of ways you can make your sandwich. Okay, this is one of them. So this is our homemade mayonnaise. All right, it was so helpful. So I added my eggs. Okay, that's boiled eggs, and then I'll stir everything together. Guys, try this recipe. Try this. I always say cooking is an act, and sometimes you need to try someone's recipe to see that you are missing a lot. Yes, so I mix everything together and I got my hot bread. So you can enjoy this with your rice, jollof, fried rice, everything is allowed with this. Okay, so I sliced or I divided my bread into two. The bread is very hot, I can't even hold it. Very, very, very hot. Exactly how I want my bread. And then I went ahead and I spread my coleslaw. Okay, I spread it onto my bread. And guys, just trust me, at a bite of this, you feel you are in heaven. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Shout out to all my returnees. Shout out to my followers and everybody who has been supporting, commenting, liking. Guys, you're doing an amazing job and I love you so much for this. Don't go away. Please just click on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell so that when I post, you'll be the first person to get notified. Dr. Rosie brings you nothing but the best. Enjoy this recipe. So I enjoy this with my hot chocolate, guys. You can also enjoy this with your rice, anything that you want. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next recipe. Bye bye.